What is up, Goon Squad? Another day out here. We are starting the day off by giving another attempt on the hardtop that we messed up. If you've seen the earlier videos, if not, be sure to check that out. As you can see, we had a few issues due to humidity and some other factors. We had some people comment down below letting us know what we should have done. We're trying to figure it out. I think we should have it painted today. He's already sanding it down. What are you sanding it with?
We're using the 600 grit just to smooth it out.
With some water.
I don't want to take the rest of this paint off because it's just better coverage for the second coat.
So pretty much what we're gonna do is just smooth it down. It's smoothing down pretty quick, ain't it?
Yeah, it's not that hard.
It feels real smooth, so we're learning. All right, so we just put on a few components of the hood, that, and a few random pieces, and now I'm gonna get to helping him sand this hardtop. It sands down pretty quick, so we should have it done here soon. Alright guys, so we got it all sanded down. Now we're just gonna rinse it down. Going out into the sunshine. Now we're letting this hardtop dry a bit in the sunshine. It's all smooth, it's sanded down, it's looking good. Just a little bit more prepping and we'll set up the booth again. Setting up the paint booth right here this time on some dry ground. I mean, it's a little bit wet, but that shouldn't be an issue. Nice. All right, now for some walls. Same setup, different location. But it's nice and warm today. What's the degrees right now?
It's like 50. We're probably gonna heat up the top though. Heat up.
Let it heat up. The sun's gonna kind of hit it. We may have to grab a little space heater in here.
Yeah.
And possibly warm it up. But we'll see how it goes. We're still setting up. So we're starting by, whoa, draining that compressor. There's a bunch of water in there.
Probably gotta pour this in something because it's
it's
staying the driveway.
nasty as heck. Let's see if it'll fit this. Oh, that's nasty. That could have been a part of our problem.
Oh my god. It's probably been 10 years since we dumped it.
So that could have been one of our problems with the humidity in the lines, possibly. But there was a lot of water in there, so good thing we got that drained out.
Alright guys, so we do have a few filters on here. We do have this one right here, and then it goes to this main one right here that's brand new right here. We bought this recently, not too long ago. And then we got just an extra one right there.
That should do it. 3 filters. You drain the air compressor, so all that humidity should not be in there, hopefully. We got the hardtop under the tent. So now all we got to do is tape up the windows, tape up the sides, and then put up the walls around the tent. All right, let me take you guys inside. Got it prepped. Everything's taped up. The walls are nice and tight. Not much flapping. It's looking good. It's nice and warm in here. It got real hot, so that's going to be a good thing. The humidity dropped down to I think like 25%. I think it's going to lay down smooth, so wish me luck. Comment good luck for luck, guys. Fan's going there. Pop that out all the way into the bushes. And it's going to go through a filter. That's all it'll go right there.
I want to see what's going to start sucking in.
Just a little test run. So now we are very lightly hitting it with a tack cloth. Just get any leftover particles or dust. so I just went and picked up some more paint because we actually ran out. So we're gonna go ahead and mix up some more and throw a second coat. Now we're ready for some clear. Picked up some more clear coat and some activator because we ran out, so that should last us a good bit. This thing is slick, dude.
Is it?
Slick. The top is fully slicked in. It's looking great. Now we just gotta untape it before it fully dries. No paint on the Yetis. I don't want it to dry with that tape on there.
You might peel your paint off.
There's one little speck that I see right there. Probably get buffed out.
That ain't nothing.
Or probably not even worry about it. You won't even see it. That tape job looks pretty dang good.
Does it?
After taping it up to like 3 times because we had to redo it, so
You learn.
you learn from your mistakes. The paint booth is getting put away, but that top is just looking slick, guys. Check it out. I'm not too sure of the color name, but the color code is PB3.
Don't look at it too much. It might blind you.
It might blind you. It might cut you. I know a lot of you guys were saying not to paint it, but we've done this before, and it turned out great. It was on my red Rubicon, and with the hardtop, I couldn't turn it down this time because it just makes it look like a tank. So you guys are just gonna have to wait and stay tuned when we put it on, get the whole Jeep painted. It's all gonna look good with one color. It's gonna look like it's a SUV of some sort or something.
No, it's gonna look like just a brand new Jeep.
Right. Your nose is blue.
Don't record me.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. We were mainly focused on this hardtop here. We slicked it in, or he slicked it in. I was there watching, learning, as were you guys. Cat looked like him. Cat back there looking like he wanted to jump on some ice, go ice skating. But yeah, we had a great day today. It was an awesome day.
Hit the nail on the head with this day because it was low humidity, lower than 30%, and it was really sunny and it was pretty warm. So this paint went down really good. This is the best paint job I ever did so far. No runs, nothing. Really slick. Doesn't even need to get buffed, honestly.
Yeah, we'll probably throw it on there and then finish up painting the whole Jeep. That's the next major part of the Jeep build, the Jeep Rubicon build. We need to paint it, so it's going to be a lot of prepping, a lot of sanding.
A couple spots to fix with Bondo and some body work.
A little bit of body work here and there, but for the most part, it's going to be pretty simple from here. It's just cosmetics, like he said, and just get it painted.
Please like and subscribe and share the video, and please hit the post notifications button and share this video to everybody so we can get the word out.
Also, guys, be sure to check out Goonzquad.com to copy a hat, copy some shirts, a hoodie. We got everything on there but the decals. The decals will be up there soon.
If you want to support us, please go check out our Patreon page
or check out our GoFundMe page. The link is going to be down below. If you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to do that now because you do get the inside scoop of what's coming before YouTube. So check that out.
We had a great day today. Stay tuned for our upcoming builds that are coming out soon. Peace!